Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, khona into ezayo, the Great Wall of Cape Town. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, isitha cares about you mntu omnyama. So bazovusa the Great Wall of Cape Town for your own safety. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emuva and understand ukuthi for years u-N2 freeway, the main route linking i-Cape Town Airport to the city, has been plagued with violent ubugebengu. Understand ukuthi ama-motorist wethu uhamba ngemoto or ngesithuthuthi or nge-truck report ama-incidents of i-smash and grab attack, ama-hijackings nama-rock throwing kuyimoto zabo. And so that area has been nicknamed i-Hell's Run because ayikho safe. Uyayibona-ke inkinga? Do you see the problem mntu omnyama? When isitha drives ku-N2, they do not feel safe. But most importantly, when ama-tourists drive ku-N2, they are forced to see ama-informal settlement, ipoverty yomntu omnyama. So isitha made a plan yokufihla all of this. There are reports from city officials, statements, planning discussions, saying ukuthi isitha has put together imali engango-180 million. What is their plan? What do they want to do with leyo mali? They want to build a wall, not just any wall, the Great Wall of Cape Town. Understand ukuthi they want to make sure ukuthi abantu abahlala eFilipi, eGugulethu, eKhayelitsha, they are protected. They want to make sure ukuthi wena mntu omnyama safe, allegedly. Therefore, le wall will surround le ndawo ezama-township, le ndawo zabantu abamnyama, so as to protect them. And don't worry, uzoba khona ama-gates, ama-access area whereby nizokwazi ukuphuma in and out, and there will be security engadile to make sure ukuthi igate lenu li-right. According to their documents, bathi lolu donga will benefit umuntu omnyama kanjani? Understand ukuthi there will be a repaired and reinforced concrete barrier alongside ama-shoulders and dangerous embankment kuyindawo zabantu abamnyama. There will be a new pedestrian crossing to reduce accidental fatalities. Yes, there will be improved lighting to enhance visibility at night kuyindawo zabantu abamnyama. Understand ukuthi there will be a controlled access point la khona umuntu omnyama ezokwazi khona ukuthi aphume angene kwi-area yakhe. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi uthini umeya uyayivuma lento? It's too late already. Umeya Jordan Hill-Lewis has signed off on this. Uyavuma uthi this will help i-Cape Town and improve i-safety for abantu abamnyama abahlala kwindawo zabo. City leaders, particularly Mayor Jordan Hill-Lewis, have publicly defended their plans, claiming it will protect motorists, pedestrians, and residents who live and work near u-N2. Understand ukuthi Mayor Jordan Hill, he could not find a single person who opposed Loltonga because everyone who lives in Cape Town loves the idea, allegedly. So, the people of Cape Town are very happy, very satisfied with the wall, Olzayo. The budget of 180 million, but it's fair. The wall is gonna be good for them. The people of Cape Town are very happy. Balontonga. Understand, all these areas will be protected. Understand ukuthi starting from an airport, areas like Thabo Mbeki informal settlement, Newini Madikizela informal settlement will be protected. Understand ukuthi areas like Gugulethu, Mitchell's Plain, Khayelitsha, this wall will make sure ukuthi incika ngakubona so as to make sure ukuthi ba safe. Isitha